Because your home network is not secure, the home is where most cyber attacks will occur in 2021. How insecure is your home network? How to safeguard your online life? Don't worry, this video will explain. Guys, has your life changed in this year? Are you working from home or playing games and watching Netflix at home? No matter what you're doing, as long as you are at home, be cautious because your home network is not secure. You may be confused why. Don't worry, this video will explain. We will discuss two things, namely how insecure is your home network and how to safeguard your online life. How insecure is your home network? Affected by COVID-19, more than one-third of employees work from home. This undoubtedly provides a new attack avenue for cyber criminals. According to predictions, the home is where most cyber attacks will occur in 2021. Once your electronic equipment or home router lacks security protection, hackers can access your private account, access your microphone and the camera, eavesdrop on your information, or steal money. I know it sounds scary, but the threats you face are actually much more than these. Some remote meeting apps you use at work, there are loopholes in security. Insecure encryption mode and privacy policy share your chat information and personal data with third parties. What is more frightening is that there are already more than 530,000 accounts for sale on various hacker forums. There is no doubt that we have spent countless online hours in the comfort of our home. Whether it's work or entertainment, we all need a secure network environment. So, how to safeguard your online life? The answer is VPN. VPN Proxy Master allows you to have a completely secure Wi-Fi connection. First of all, by hiding location and IP address. Prevent third parties from tracking your online activities, effectively protect your privacy. Secondly, the server will encrypt the data you send. Even if your information is hacked illegally, the info obtained by hackers will not be the raw data that leads to more vulnerabilities. At last, VPN Proxy Master supports simultaneous connection of 5 devices. So whether it's a mobile phone, a computer, or tablet, it meets your various needs of working and living at home. Now go to vpnproxymaster.com, enjoy a special discount as low as $7.75 per month. Okay, I believe to your question about I need a VPN at home, already got the answer. Please leave a comment to tell us. See you next video.